through that, I am able to live for more kasi I am part of a very challenging industry. Diba? Very challenging and demanding. Nag-challenge at dinidemand niya so much of my time, of my strength, of my health. So, kahit ang daming privileges, opportunities na dumarating sa buhay ko, sa trabaho ko, sa karera ko, kung hindi ako physically fit, kung hindi ko kayang humarap sa mga hamon ng trabaho ko, hindi ko magagawa at ma-achieve pati yung mga marami ko pang mga pinapangarap na mapagtagumpayan sa buhay. So sa pamamagitan ng Santi Wine, natutulungan niya akong maging mas maayos ang pangangatawan ko. Diba? Mas maayos ang aking pangangatawan upang mas humaba pa yung lakas ko araw-araw. Kasi especially ngayon, ang stress level natin ang taas-taas. Diba? Parang tapos yung 24 hours a day, ang bilis niyang nauubos. Pero bago pa maubos yung oras at yung araw, minsan nauubos na yung lakas natin. Hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. Kailangan meron tayong karampatang lakas ng pangangatawan upang maharap yung mga kailangan nating harapin at mapagtagumpayan araw-araw. Sa trabaho, personal o professional man yan, kailangan meron tayong sapat na lakas. At yung immune system natin ay kailangan natin kilalanin at mapahalagahan. At yun ang magandang dulot sa akin ng Santi Party.
Galing! Russell, Sir Joey, why Vice Ganda?
Well, daan mo yan.
Ang hirap pagsundan si Vice, ano? Well, from day one, everyone knows Vice Ganda. Pero nung nagkita kami ni Vice at kwentuhan kami, nung ko na-realize that there's something in Vice na I know magiging inspiration to all our business owners. Timing lang talaga yung movie, The Breadwinner, di ba? Pero what we are here for is really inspiring our business owners, we call them our business owners, inspiring them, people from ordinary background and now living an extraordinary life. Nung nakilala ko si Vice, sabi ko, siya yung perfect example ng isang Santi business owner who rose from the ranks. Kung kilala niyo si Vice nung unang panahon pa, di ba, compare it now, ang layo na eh. And ang nakikita,
sa itsura ba yung tinutukoy mo?
yung itsura, siyempre, maganda ng paganda, di ba?
I love you.
Pero nakwento sa akin ni Vice na nagiging inspiration siya ng marami niyang kaibigan. In fact, one of the things na nagustuhan ko kay Vice, sabi ko nga maganda minsan pagkwentuhan natin, is yung habit niya when it comes to money, spending money. Sabi ko, she can be an inspiration to a lot of people because at the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, di ba? It's how much money you save and you invest. And Vice is a perfect example of a person who handles her finances well. Napakaganda ng kwento niya at naging inspiration siya, okay, to all people from all walks of life. And I think yung presence si Vice in Santi can really help a lot, not only Filipinos in the Philippines because we're already open all over the globe and we're already inspiring mga OFWs. So I believe Vice can be of big help dun sa advocacy ng Santi.
I was about to ask, is the brand targeting international expansion really soon with Vice Ganda?
Well, right now, Santi is open in 10 countries. Most of the countries that we have right now are maraming OFWs like Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, UAE, Qatar, and of course, the USA. We're starting in the USA. And sabi ko tamang-tama because ang goal namin next year, 2025, is really to inspire and empower Filipinos. Our objective is always start working abroad. You have a purpose why you're there, but start building your business because there's so much more in life than just working abroad. Ang goal ko sa namin balang araw, they have a business of Santi in different countries and they can go back home while retaining their business there. And Vice can be of big help to us.
Galing! Alright, let's go back to your healthy routine, Vice, no? Kanina you touched on it already. Pero paano yung nagsimula ang umaga ni Vice with Santi? Parang, sabi mo, hindi ka nag-breakfast, no? So, yun na yung parang ini-intake mo before leaving the house and going to showtime.
Alam mo, isa pa magandang effect sa akin, magmula na nag-take talaga ako ng Santi Party, natulungan niya ako sa problema ko sa constipation. Promise, kasi problema ko talaga yan. So masarap sa umaga na alam mong magaan yung tiyan mo, na ilabas mo yung mga toxins mo. So, doon siya nagsisimula, yung pag-isip ko sa umaga, diretso na ako ng CR, lahat ng mga ganap ko doon, maliligo na ako, mag-toothbrush na ako. At maraming pagkakataon na, yun ang namimiss ko kasi wala siya, constipated ako. Pero dahil sa Santi Party, doon siya nagsisimula yung, nare-release ko agad yung mga toxins. So, mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko. At napakahalaga para sa akin na masimulan ang araw ko ng magaan ang pakiramdam ko kasi from home, as I wake up every day from home, didiretso ako ng studio, I need to feel good about myself. I need to feel good kasi yun ang makikita sa akin at yun ang gustong makita sa akin ng viewers ko at yun ang gusto kong ma-share din sa viewers ko. Yung feeling good every day, di ba? Kahit hindi man every day, maraming pagkakataon, kailangan feeling good dahil gusto kong makapagpasaya. At hindi ako makakapagpasaya if I don't feel good about myself. Physically, di ba kung mabigat yung pakiramdam ko? So, gano'n lang ang araw ko everyday. Magigising ako, didiretso ako sa salamin, at kakausapin ko yung sarili ko. Kakausapin ko yung sarili ko at sasabihin ko sa kanya na napakaswerte natin, maswerte tayo, pinagpala tayo, magpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. At today, marami pa tayong biyayang tatanggapin. At feeling ko kasi yun ang healthy life. Yung being able to live a life full of gratitude, diba? Full of happiness, diba? Marami tayong issues, marami tayong mga ikinaiinis everyday, pero dapat hindi niya ma-invalidate kung ano yung magaganda, yung beauty around us. So, feeling ko a healthy life is a life living full of gratitude and happiness and embracing the fact na whatever it is, whatever is happening, meron kang blessing na matatanggap every day.
Ganda na sinabi mo, Baisa, just listening to you right now, kasi parang you're showing us balance.
Yes.
Physically, Santi Barley is helping you, but also having that positive mindset is also helping you.
Kailangan talaga combo siya.
Correct.
Physical and mental, yung mindset nga, kaya yung physical and mental, kailangan combine siya na positibo siyang nagsisimula sa umaga. Diba? Kailangan magsimula ka sa umaga ng may positivity. Siyempre, hindi laging positive ang ganap sa paligid all the time. Pero kailangan, meron kang enough ounce of positivity in your heart, in your body, para masabayan mo at malampasan mo even lahat ng uri ng negativities na papaligid sa araw mo, araw-araw.
But will you recommend this as a family daily routine?
Yes, of course. Even yung nanay ko nasa Santi Barley na. Even yung ate ko na doktor nasa Santi Barley. Kasi pag yung ate ko doktor, nagtatanong ako sa kanya, okay ba to? Tama ba to? So, kami sa family ko, kami ng nanay, especially yung nanay ko, kasi nga di ba sinasabi lang sa Santi Barley, live for more. Kung meron mang tao sa buong mundo na ipagdadasal ko na for her to be able to live for more, yun yung nanay ko. At itong pagpapakilala ko sa kanya ng Santi Barley, masaya ako dahil isa to sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng paniniwala na yung nanay ko, mas haba pang buhay, mas haba pa yung pagkakataon namin na magkasama at mas magiging maligaya pa kami magkasama.
Ganda. Ang maganda dyan, Vice, na-introduce mo si Santi Barley to your mom, to your sister. Sa younger generation naman, Sir Joey, kasi you've been tapping a lot of influencers, the biggest names in show business. Can we expect more influential ambassadors, especially to introduce this product to the younger generation?
Why am I not enough?
No, you are enough. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Ang bilis ko doon, ang buti na nakasagot ko agad doon, Vice,
When we were starting in Sunday several years ago, most of our members are yung medyo older generations, Gen X, mga yan. Pero nakita namin na for the past few years, medyo there's an influx of the young people, the millennials, the Gen Zs. Doon namin na-realize na yung health and wellness is not only for older people but for the younger generations. The question is why we started with Vice. Siyempre parang if you will start promoting, kasi ang goal namin, massive brand relaunch is 2025. So let's go for the big names. So ang una talagang pumasok yan is Vice and that. But the question is, will we invite other influencers? Well, the answer is yes. Because our goal is not only to tap those people who knows Vice and our other brand ambassadors, but influencers na ang cloud talaga nila are the youth and the young market. In fact, I don't want to announce anything right now, but siguro second half of the year, we have another brand ambassador. So, bata pa lang siya, di ba? Bata pa siya, who don't want to announce kung sino yun. Pero ang goal namin really is to inspire even yung mga bata na talaga yung health and wellness doesn't start whenever you're feeling something already. Hanggang bata pa sila, dapat maging masustainably healthy lifestyle so that they can grow not only older but they can grow living a healthier life after this one. And that's the reason why this year, bold move namin organize the biggest running races in the Philippines. We have the Santay Barley Trilogy in partnership with Coach Rio de la Cruz. And ang goal namin is inspire a lot of young people to really go into health and wellness.
Alright, speaking of that, Vice, what to you is living for more?
Living for more? For me, living for more should be everyone's mantra. I believe it should be everyone's inspiration every day to live for more. Kasi we were all born for it. Diba? We were all born to live for more. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para magmukhang kawawa. Diba? Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para mapagkaitan. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para hindi ma-enjoy ang buhay. Because life offers a lot of endless and limitless surprises and possibilities every day. At ipinangako yan ng Diyos sa atin. Diba? Na hindi tayo. Kaya ang laki-laki ng ginawa ng Diyos sa atin ng mundo at napakaganda ng mga creations ng Panginoon. So bakit natin i-deprive yung sarili natin to live for more, to experience more, to enjoy more? Kasi that's what life is all about. Diba? Ipinanganak tayo hindi para magmukhang kawawa at pipirin. Ipinanganak tayo para ma-enjoy ang lahat ng pwede nating yakapin na magagandang biyaya.
Ganda, Vice. Now, as we close this segment, Vice, napakaraming tao ngayon dito sa World Trade Center sa Pasay City. Iba sa kanila, malayo pang pinanggalingan. But they're very excited to welcome you as the new member of the Santay Barley family. Anong mensahe mo sa kanilang lahat?
I love you too so much. But first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, sir, and to the entire Santay family. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your wonderful family. I am just so proud to be here today and to be with all of you. I'm so proud to say na at last, part na ako ng Santay family. And I am very proud of all of you. I am very proud of all of you. The first time that I was able to talk to him, we talked about the kind of people na bahagi ng pamilyang ito. And I was just overwhelmed to know that Santay family is a family of breadwinners. Diba, napakarami sa inyo. Alam ko, ginagawa niyo lahat ng ginagawa ninyo ngayon, hindi lang para sa mga sarili ninyo. Dahil ang pangarap ninyo ay hindi lang naman pangarap para sa mga sarili ninyo. Pangarap nyo yan para sa buong pamilya ninyo at sa mga taong mahal na mahal ninyo. And I know all of you are working very hard to achieve your biggest dreams, not just for yourselves, but for the family that you have, for your most loved ones. Diba? Kaya I am very proud of you at ipagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at naway lahat tayo makaranas ng magandang buhay na deserve natin, na maa-achieve natin mula sa pagpapala ng Diyos at sa hard work na ginagawa ninyo at sa oportunidad na meron tayong hinaharap araw-araw. We are very proud of you. More power. God bless you. At magkita-kita tayo sa finals ng masasaya at mas masagana.